Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. So, very first, we will see the solution of previous class. After that, we will start our today's topic, forming the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers using the given digits. Okay? So, let's start. In previous class, I had given you to some question solve in homework. So, I had given you to solve exercise 2C. So, in exercise 2C, question number first, write the number shown on each spike abacus in all the forms. And A is already solved, and question number B, we have solved in previous class. So today we will solve number 3, means C. Okay, so look at this. In C we can see this is an abacus, and these vertical lines are spike and these small points are beads. Okay, so we have to count these beads and write it. So my dear students, count it. How many beads are here? So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads. Okay, at ones place. And now count on tens place beads. So 1, 2, 3, 4 beads on tens place. It means 4 tens. Okay, at 100 place 1, 2, 3 beads on 100 place, and again 1, 2, 3 beads on 1000 place also. So now we have to write it in all 3 forms: standard form, word form and expanded form. So in standard form we will write it 3345. Okay, and in word form, how we will write in word form? So as we are reading, so we are reading it 3,000, 3,000, 300, 3,000, 345, 40 and 5. So this is word form 3345. And next, expanded form. So we have to write expanded form according to their place value. So 3 is at 1000 place, so we will multiply it with 1000. Then we get 3000 plus sign between them. Again 3 at 100 place, so 300. Next 4 at tens place, so we'll multiply it with 10 and we get 40. And 5 at ones place, so we'll multiply it with 1. So 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to 5. So the expanded form is 3000 plus 300 plus 40 and plus 5. Okay, let's see number D. In D, how many beads at ones place? So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 beads at ones place. At tens place 5 beads. At 100 place 6 beads, and at 1000 place 4 beads. So in standard form we will write it as 4657, and in word form, as we are reading, 4657. Okay, and in expanded form 4000 according to their place value. So 4000 plus 600 plus 50 and plus 7. Okay, So let's see another number E. In E, at ones place, here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 beads, and at tens place there is no bead. We can see at tens place there is no bead, so we will write here 0. 0 mean no beads. At 100 place 9 beads, and at 1000 place 8 beads. So in standard form we will write as 8907, and in word form 8907. There is no need to write 0 10. Okay, so we will write as 8907, and in expanded form 8000 plus 900 plus 0 plus 7. We can remove 0 from here. We can also write it in this form 8000 plus 900 plus 7, because there is a no mean for 0. Okay, so 8000 plus 900 plus 7, because 0 at tens place, and when we multiply 0 with 10 we get 0. Look at F. In F there is 5 beads on at ones place, and at tens place there is no beads. Again at 100 place there is no beads, and at 1000 place there is 9 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So in standard form we will write 9005, and in word form 9005. Okay, and in expanded form 9000 plus 0 at 100 place, so when we multiply we get 0. Again at tens place 0, so again 0, and plus 5. Okay, and we can write it directly 9000 plus 5. Okay, and in G we can see here at ones place 9 beads, at tens place 9 beads, again at 100 place 9 beads, and at 1000 place 9 beads. So in standard form 9999, and in word form 9999, and in expanded form 9000 plus 900 plus 90 plus 9. According to their place value, 9 at 1000 place 9000, 9 at 100 place 900, 9 at tens place so 90, and 9 at ones place so 9. Okay, I hope you all have done your work, and you have to match your answers with this solution. Okay, and now I am going to start our today's class. Today we will revise the forming a largest and smallest 4-digit number with the given digit. Okay, so let's see. So my dear students, our today's topic is forming the largest and the smallest 4-digit number using the given digit. Means हमें दिए हुए डिजिट से स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर और लार्जेस्ट नंबर बनाना है. सो फर्स्टली वी विल सी फॉर्मिंग द लार्जेस्ट नंबर फ्रॉम गिवन 4 डिजिट. हम दिए हुए डिजिट से लार्जेस्ट नंबर बनाना सीखेंगे सबसे पहले. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट, देयर इज सम रूल दैट वी हैव टू फॉलो फॉर मेकिंग 4 digit number, making 4 digit largest 4 digit number. So the rule is put the greatest digit among the given digits in the 1000 place. Next, put the next greatest digit in the 100 place. Similarly, again put the next greatest digit in the tens place, and finally put the smallest digit among the given digit in the ones place. मीन हम दिए हुए इन डिजिट में हमें 4 डिजिट दिया गया है, इन 4 डिजिट में हम सबसे बड़ा या सबसे ग्रेटेस्ट डिजिट को 1000 प्लेस पे रखेंगे। नेक्स्ट हम सेकंड ग्रेटेस्ट डिजिट को 100 प्लेस में, फिर थर्ड ग्रेटेस्ट डिजिट को 10th प्लेस पे, और फाइनली लास्ट में हम स्मॉलेस्ट डिजिट को 1st प्लेस पे रखेंगे। ओके, सो लेट्स सी greatest digit in the 1000 place. According to rule, we have to write greatest digit in the 1000 place. So my dear student, tell me the greatest digit from the given digit. Among the given digit, which is the greatest digit? 5 or 6 or 7 or 3? So we know 7 is the greatest digit among the 5, 6, 7, 3. Okay, in next step, next greatest digit in the 100 place. So which is the next greatest digit? After 7, 6 is the next greatest digit. So we have to write 6 at 100 place. Third step, next greatest digit in the 10th place. So tell me which is the next greatest digit after 6? So this is 5, and we have to write 5 at 10th place. Okay, so and finally smallest digit in the 1st place. So which is the smallest digit? 3. 3 is the smallest digit. So you can see here we get a 4 digit number, that is 7653. So the greatest number with the given digit 5673 is 7653. मीन्स डिजिट 5673 से बनने वाला ग्रेटेस्ट डिजिट कौन सा है? 7653. 7653 से बड़ा कोई भी ऐसा डिजिट नहीं हो सकता जो हम 5673 का यूज़ करके बना सकते हैं। ओके, लेट्स सी अनदर एग्जाम्पल. एग्जाम्पल 2. Make a greatest number with the digit 3249. So, my dear student, tell me which is the greatest digit among the digit 3249. So, we can see here there is a 9. So, we will write 9 at 1000 place. Okay? And next greatest digit. So, this is 4. This is 4. And again next greatest digit after 4. So this is 3. And finally the smallest digit is 2. The smallest digit is 2. So we can see here this is the 4 digit number that we get, 9432. So 9432 is the greatest number with using the digit 3249. Okay, let's see forming the smallest number from given 4 digits. It is also very simple, but in this we will follow the inverse rule of forming the largest number with the given digits. मीन्स हम इसमें जस्ट अपोजिट रूल, जो हमने लार्जेस्ट नंबर बनाने के लिए रूल फॉलो किया था उसका जस्ट अपोजिट रूल हम यहाँ पे फॉलो करेंगे. उसमें हमने सबसे पहले लार्जेस्ट डिजिट लिखा था, लेकिन इसमें हम सबसे पहले स्मॉलेस्ट डिजिट लिखेंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. एग्जाम्पल नंबर फर्स्ट. Make a smallest number with the digit 2859. Smallest digit in the 1000 place. Firstly, we will write smallest digit in the 1000 place. So, my dear student, tell me the smallest digit among the digit 2859. We can see here 2 is the smallest digit, so we will write 2 at 1000 place. In next step, next smallest digit in the 100 place. So next smallest digit is 5. So we will write 5 at 100 place. Next step, next smallest digit in the tens place. So next smallest digit which we have to write at tens place, so this is 8. Okay, and finally greatest digit in the ones place. So greatest digit is 9, so we will write 9 at ones place. So the smallest number with the given digit 2859 is 2589. 2589. So we can see here this rule is just opposite of previous rule. In previous rule, firstly we have write greatest number, but here we will write smallest number. Okay, so let's see another example. Example number 2, make a smallest number with the digit 1324. So my dear student, tell me which is the smallest number among the digit 1324. So this is the 1. 1 is the smallest number, so we will write 1 at 1000 place. Okay, and next smallest number is 2, so 2 at 100 place. And after 2, which is the smallest number, so this is 3, so 3 at tens place. And finally the greatest number is 4, so we will write 4 at ones place. So 1234 is smallest number with the digit 1324. Okay, so now we will see another example, but something different. In this we have to make a smallest number with the digit 8067. Here we can see a digit 0. So there is some difference to making a smallest number. So let's see. If the given 4 digits contain a 0, then the 1000 place is filled up by the next greater digit that come just after the 0, and the 0 comes at the 100 place. Then the next greater digit come at the tens place, and finally the greatest digit among the given come at ones place. मीन्स कि हम जब अगर हमें डिजिट में ज़ीरो इंक्लूड हो, ज़ीरो दिया गया हो, तो हम क्या करते हैं, ज़ीरो को हम, क्योंकि ये सब इसमें से सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट तो है, बट ज़ीरो को हम 1000 प्लेस पे नहीं लिखेंगे, हम ज़ीरो को 100 प्लेस पे लिखेंगे. उसके बाद जो सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट होगा, मीन्स ज़ीरो को छोड़ के इन तीनों नंबर्स में जो स्मॉलेस्ट होगा उसको हम 1000 प्लेस पे लिखेंगे, और ज़ीरो को 100 प्लेस पे, फिर जो स्मॉलेस्ट बचेगा उसको 10 प्लेस पे, एंड ग्रेटेस्ट डिजिट को वंस प्लेस पे. सो वाई वी विल राइट इन दिस फॉर्म. लुक एट दिस. If according to previous rule, if we are writing 0 at 1000 place, if we are writing 0 at 1000 place, so 0, next smallest digit is 6, and then 7 and 8. So now you read it. How we can read it? 678. Can we read it 0678? No, this is wrong. There is no mean 0678. This is 678. So if is this 678, so this is only 3 digit number. This is only 3 digit number. But वी हैव टू मेक 4 डिजिट नंबर। अगर हमने इस रूल को फॉलो करते हुए ये नंबर बताया तो ये कितने डिजिट का हुआ? केवल 3 डिजिट, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 100 ही है और 4 डिजिट नंबर में 1000 इंक्लूड होता है, यहाँ पे 1000 नहीं है, तो ये क्या हुआ? ये केवल 3 डिजिट नंबर हो गया। बट वी हैव टू मेक 4 डिजिट नंबर, हमें 4 डिजिट नंबर बनाना है। सो दैट्स वाई दिस इज रॉन्ग। ओके, नाउ वी विल फॉलो रूल as I tell you. Write the next smallest digit accepting 0. So this is 6. 6 is next smallest digit is expecting 0. So here we will be write 6 at 1000 place. And now we will write 0 at 100 place. Okay, after that next smallest digit at 10th place and greatest digit at 100 place. Okay, so this is 6078. 6078 is the smallest digit with the digit 8068. Okay, so I hope you all have understood it. And now there is some question that you have to solve, and this is your homework. I hope you all are making your notes, so keep it. This is your homework that you have to do. Write the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number using the given digit. There is 6 question. So using these digit you have to make greatest and smallest 4-digit number. Okay, so keep learning and be safe.